Dear friends, today I would like all of you to focus on the donkey, a very insignificant character in today's readings. There is a story about the donkey or colt that carried Jesus on Palm Sunday. The donkey thought it was the reception organized to honor him. The donkey must have thought to himself, I am very special and a unique donkey. When he asked his mother if he could walk down the same street alone the next day and be honored again, his mother said, No, you are nothing without Jesus, who was riding on you yesterday. 5 days later, the donkey saw a huge crowd of people in the same street. It was Good Friday, and the soldiers were taking Jesus to Calvary. The donkey could not resist the desire of another royal reception. And so, ignoring the warning of his mother, he went to the street. But the soldiers chased him, and the people began to stone him, and he ran for his life. Thus, the colt finally learned that hard lesson that he was just another ordinary donkey without Jesus riding on him. Today, we celebrate Jesus' triumphant entry into the Jerusalem city, where he is welcomed and acclaimed by a large crowd of followers. But that lasted only for a few days, until Jesus was rejected by the same people. As we enter the Holy Week today, the readings invite us to examine our lives to see whether we carry Jesus with us and bear witness to him, or are we Christians in name only? We need to be ready to become like that humble donkey that carried Jesus. As we carry Jesus to the world, we may receive the same kind of reception, welcome, and accolades that Jesus received on Palm Sunday. But we may also meet with similar rejection, opposition, and trials later on. Like the donkey, we are called upon to carry Christ to this world that may not accept him always. Hence, we need to become his followers during this Holy Week, enabling others to see in us Jesus' universal love, his unconditional forgiveness, and his sacrificial spirit of service. Dear friends, unlike others, as followers of Christ, we are called upon to be different. And your presence here today shows that you want to express that difference. We are called upon to accept the challenge to take a stand for Christ and for his gospel values in today's world. Not everyone will stand by Jesus when things get tough. And so, more than ever, we are called to do this even at the expense of our personal sacrifices. But we do it for Christ, who has sacrificed his own life for our redemption. Therefore, the passion of Jesus becomes a reason for hope and a moment of grace for us. Above all, this celebration gives us the consolation and the conviction that we are not alone in our faith journey. The Lord is always walking with us. I like to close with a caption that can be applied to divine friendship. Do not walk before me, for I may not follow you. Do not walk behind me, for I may not lead you. But just walk beside me and be my friend.